We're solving problem 15 from the 2020 F equals MA exam A. As shown in the figure, a vessel contains two types of liquid. The liquid with density rho 1 on top and rho 2 on the bottom. The depth of the top liquid is H1 and the interface area between the top and the bottom liquid is S1. The bottom liquid has a depth of H2. The area of the bottom of the vessel is S2. What is the gauge pressure, i.e. pressure in excess of atmospheric pressure at the bottom of the vessel? So for this problem, what we can do is, well, we know that the pressure, P, is rho GH. Therefore, due to Pascal's principle, we get that the total pressure is simply rho 1 GH1 plus rho 2 GH2, because you sum all the things together. So therefore, this can just be represented by factoring out the G, rho 1 H1 plus P2 H2. And then this is going to be your answer for this problem.